So you're looking for more information on Copy Pro Traders compensation plan? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple breakdown and I'm going to share some very important information. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and with that being said, we're going to jump right into today's content. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to my Google Docs that I put together, and I'm going to give you complete clarity. Then we're going to cover some more important stuff, so make sure you watch this all the way through. All right, so now, getting started, one of the things I want to start out with first is one thing that I believe in, and that service to many leads to greatness, okay? So now, with that being said, as you can see here, it says a portion of every subscription is allocated to funding the creation of children's hospitals, proper nutrition, and the overall quality of life, okay? So there's global causes that are going on right now, such as child starvation, building of orphanages, and people dealing with mental health issues. Now, you may ask yourself, what does this actually have to do with Copy Pro Traders? Well, let's read even further. So the monthly mission will be listed on the website, and every subscription, right? We all know the price of Copy Pro Traders is $99 a month, and that's not auto ship because you have a choice. At the end of every month, if you don't enjoy what you see, you don't have to pay, right? So no auto ship mess, okay? All right, so now let's keep reading. The subscription will directly provide meals, medical care, and attention for children all over the world. So the reason it says coming soon, because that's actually going to be listed on the website. This is already in process, right? But having it on the actual website, the mission, that's not there yet, all right? So that right there is important to me. Me, myself, I have kids as well. So being that you're taking care of child starvation and I'm not out here just promoting something to promote it, it goes back to what I said. Service to many leads greatness. And it seems that Copy Pro Traders is hitting that on all levels. Number one, they give you a service that allows you to grow your crypto and you keep 100% of the profits. Number two, they also allow you to share their service and you can actually earn from that. And number three, they are providing meals to, children that truly need it out there. Right? So they're hitting it on all levels. That's why, I looked at it and I was like, oh, this is great. This is like the perfect combination. Okay. So that's the first thing. Now let's move on to the actual numbers, right? Because you want to see how the compensation breaks down and all of that. But before we do that, let's actually go over here to this PDF because we want to determine the difference between a customer and an affiliate. Okay. So a customer is anyone who purchases a subscription, as you can see here, right? Anyone that purchases a subscription. Now, the moment that you actually generate a sale or referral, you become an active affiliate. Okay, so that's the difference between the two, and I think that's very important to actually put that out there so you understand that. Okay, so let's go back over here to my document. Okay, so let's get into the numbers. So we all know the price is $99, okay? But now keep in mind, back to what I said, this is not an auto ship. You can decide if you're gonna pay every month because you're paying it in Bitcoin, okay? Now, you get $21 in Bitcoin for every direct referral. So every time somebody pays $99, you're gonna get $21. And keep in mind, back to what we were just talking about, a portion of your subscription paid is gonna go toward directly feeding kids, okay? So let's go back. All right, so now once you make your second sale, then you're gonna earn $7 in Bitcoin for every indirect referral. And that's gonna unlock the second all the way into the seventh generation, and you can earn $7 on everything that's going on in there, okay, indirectly. All right, now the next thing, the top affiliate bonus. So the way that this works is you're going to earn $10 in BTC for every referral in your entire group. So not only are you earning between the second and the seventh level, at that point when you become a top affiliate, you're going to earn past the seventh level, okay? That's some powerful stuff right there. Now, here are the requirements. 15 or more referrals, and they need at least 5 active referrals. Okay, so those are the requirements, to become a top affiliate. Okay, nothing, no complicated, no hitting you with the leg, none of that stuff there. Is very, very simple. Now, another thing for you to keep in mind when it comes to this top affiliate bonus, this pays you on every subscription in your entire group. Okay, second to 7 and all the way down. Now, the other thing is until there is another top affiliate between you and the sale. So what does that actually mean? So you could be making this $10 in BTC on every one, second all the way to seventh, all the way past that, and you can continuously, consistently be making that. But the moment that you have somebody who's duplicating what you're doing, then that's where the until comes in, right? So until there is another top affiliate, then that person can now earn that as well, right? And of course, you want to help other people. You're not just in this for yourself. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, and I know that I'm not, right? I'm truly about helping other people. All right, so now let's move on because there's more. All right, so traders earn $2 per month for every user that selects them as their pro trader. So not only can you earn direct, indirect, and top affiliate commissions, you can also earn $2 per month if you're a trader. So if you're a trader watching this and you trade crypto and you do an outstanding job as well, because CPT, Copy Pro Traders, is based on performance, right? They don't want to keep people who are not performing, as traders, right? Because that's putting their business line on the I can't even know what to say. Just on the line, right? So you got to keep that in mind. If you do well, of course they're gonna see how you do inside of the system, and then every time people follow you, that's $2 per month. So just imagine, just for a moment. Let's say, for instance, you got 500 people that are following you. That's 500 times 2. That's 1,000. If you got 1,000, that's 2,000 a month. If you got 5,000 times 2, that's $10,000 a month. Just because people are following you. Plus, if you're actually doing you're referring people, then that's direct, indirect, and top affiliate, depending on how well you do, marketing or whatever, right? So the income potential is very, very high here. It seems to be no cap at all, right? But I just, of course, there's a disclaimer, with everything that you do, you got to put some work in to make all of that stuff happen. Now, another thing is commissions are paid instantly to your wallet within 3 confirmations. Very, very simple. So all that means is when you receive a commission, you can instantly go into the back office, withdraw that right to your BTC wallet. Within 3 confirmations, you're going to have it. Point blank, period, end of story. Right? So another thing to keep in mind is this is a producing asset. So the fact that you're paid in Bitcoin and not in USD, and Bitcoin can go up at any time. So your $21 commission can turn into a $27 commission or a $31 commission or a $35. You see what I'm saying here, right? So it grows. Now, of course, it goes down, and that's cool too, right? But at the end of the day, Bitcoin has been consistently going up, right? So your commissions can turn into larger commissions. So that right there is powerful. Now, this is the part of the video that I wanted you to make it to, because when I read this is going to have you looking at a lot of other deals out there right now, and you're going to see the red flags, because what Copy Pro Traders has done is they put together a clean business model. You're going to see exactly why. So no commissions are paid from your referrals funding of their trading accounts. We're going to stop right there. Okay, so what that means is if you watching this, you get started, you pay for the service, which is $99. The only commission I receive is from the $21 in Bitcoin, right? But I don't receive any commissions from what you put on your exchange, right? So I want to say that again. I receive no commissions from what you fund your trading account with. So there's a lot of deals that they're all based on paying for the service, of course, but then you got to fund your account and they're going to benefit from it, right? So think about it like this. If they're like, oh, well, yeah, they go ahead, they invest 10,000 because they can afford to do that. But then now you're like, oh, well, I want to be able to make some profits, as much profits as I see they're making. So now you feel like, man, now I got to go invest this amount of money. Guess what? They get a portion of your commission in a lot of these other deals. I get 0 of what you put in your trading account. And then another thing, I get 0 from your profits. You have 100% control of all the profits, right? So that's what I love. So if you see any other deals out there that they get referrals, you get commissions from the funding of their trading accounts and from their profits, those are 2 red flags. And I just kind of want to educate you as well, just on the space as a whole, all right? So I love that they put together this clean business model, right? Where we're not basing it on the referral, the funding of their accounts or the profits. And I like it, right? That's why I feel like it was a perfect combination, especially with everything else that I've discussed so far in this video. So now, At this point, if you're ready to get started with Copy Pro Traders, go ahead and click the first link down below in the description. Also, drop me a comment down below with any questions that you have. I have my phone number down below. I also have my Facebook down below, so feel free to reach out with any questions that you have. And if this is your first time coming across any Copy Pro Traders information and you need more clarity, go ahead and watch the video that popped up on the screen right now, and that's going to give you more clarity on it. I went more in depth on what it's all really about. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.